Good afternoon, Miss.
Good afternoon, Miss.
Okay, so today we are going to the evaluation. I will ask from the little steps. Please explain.
Okay, for this week, we study about what Unit 9, what the class needs to grow. On Monday, before we study, I asked about the checkpoint question, the previous like 21 until 25 April.
April.
Okay, the first question is like this. What plants we need to grow? Plants needs soil, sun, water, and air to grow. Next, how many daffodils are there? There are 10 daffodils. Next, why do plants need water? So they don't dry out and can get food from the soil. And the last, can you mention the things that we need to plant shit? Yes, I can. There are seeds, soil, and water. Okay, it is about the checkpoint question. But on this week, on Monday, we study about still about what do plants we need. But for this, we ask on Monday about step to plant a sheet. Okay, teachers ask about like this. What are step to plant a sheet? The step are first. Sorry, Miss. The first before the checkpoint question, Miss tell about the keyword. Keyword is about first, next, then, and finally. And after that, teachers ask about checkpoint question relate about step to plant a sheet, right? Teacher asks about like this. What are steps to plant a sheet? The steps are first, dig the hole. Next, put the seed into the soil. Then, cover the seed with soil. And finally, pour the water into the seed or into the soil. Okay, so about the checkpoint 1. How about checkpoint 2? Checkpoint 2, we tell about key language and key vocabulary. Key vocabulary is about key vocabulary is about tall and short. Okay, key language. How about the key language? Key language is about tree is tall. And how about the question is we saw the teacher, we saw the student write about the picture, and then teacher asks about checkpoint like this: which picture, which plants is taller, A or B? And then the student, and then teacher answer like this: picture A is taller than B. That one is for Monday.
Okay, for Tuesday.
Little step. For, for little step, we study about the stem like that. But the next page, we show to the student about the picture about the plant. Okay, parts of a key vocabulary like this. Part of plants like petals, like soil, like petals, stem, roots, and leaves. Okay, and then for key language, it's about what is missing, which part is missing. Petals is missing, or about the picture. There is part of flower, a part of plants, but there is no picture from on the touchpad. And
Okay,
then
so what are the key vocabularies?
key vocabulary is about part of plants, petals, stem, roots, and leaves. Okay, how about checkpoint question, right? Checkpoint questions, teachers ask like this about the picture, right? What is colorful of part of flower called? It calls petals. Okay, the next question. What it calls petal? The next question, what what which part of plants are missing? There are petals, roots, and leaves are missing. Only like that, Miss. For checkpoint question.
All right. For rainbow science.
For rainbow science, we open the book about activities of animals. There are two, right? The first is type of animals about their sound. Teachers explain about their sounds. About there are some animal like cats sounds like meow, butterfly, cats like meow, cow like moo, frog like croak 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 like that. But for the checkpoint question, uh, what sounds does cat make? Cat says meow. That one is about their sound, about the sound. So how about the next subject is about what food that animal can eat, types of food that animal can eat. Okay, teachers tell to the student that cats eat fish and meat, and then cow eats cow eats grass, and then monkey eats banana. So how about the checkpoint question? What do cats like to eat? Cats like to eat fish and meat. That one is Rainbow Science, Miss.
Okay, I see here you review the CP questions
Yes.
before, right? I mean the previous CP questions. Can you mention?
Okay, the checkpoint question actually we do special activity Miss 21 until 25 but we just review about checkpoint question 7 until 11 April, like
7
right?
until 11.
Yes.
Mhm.
Okay, the first question, can you give example about animals that on the land? Yes, I can. There are cow, cats, rabbit, and horse. And next,
That's not from 7 to 11.
7 and 11 April.
No. That's a question, the CP question review. I mean, that's not for the 7 and April.
But it's still about the animals, Miss. Okay. The next is what animals that you can find in the garden? I can find butterfly, bee, and ladybug. Okay. The next, what animals can fly and has colorful wings? Butterfly can fly and has colorful wings. And the next, what animals can swim and has fins? Fish can swim and has fins. And then about animals for our pets, right? Okay, what animals can be our pets? There are cat, rabbit. There are cat, fish. There are cat, bird, and fish, such as arowana and goldfish. And the last, what are the animals lay egg? The turtle and bird lay eggs, like that. Only like that, Miss. For checkpoint question.
Okay. Rainbow math. What is the special activity?
Throw a ball, but teacher has provided some balls, 10 balls, and basket, right? 2 basket, right? And then teachers has given instruction. Teachers ask students to go in front to listen teachers. There are green 10 green balls and 10 blue balls. Okay, teachers ask about like this. You have 10 balls, and then Miss want to ask you, please throw 4 balls or please transfer 4 balls into the basket, right? So how many the rest? And then they take one by one, right, to the basket, right? So how many the rest? There are 6 balls are the rest. Actually, we just want to know they can count or no.
Okay, untuk ASP? ASP matematika, sains, bahasa. Matematika dulu.
ASP matematika, guru menjelaskan tentang guru mereview homework. Oke, sebelumnya guru mereview homework. Guru menjelaskan tentang bab tanah airku. Jadi di sini guru menjelaskan gambar bangunan khas daerah yang ada di Indonesia. Kemudian guru membuka gambar untuk menghitung berapa banyak bangunan khas daerah yang ada di Indonesia. Yang terakhir, guru menjelaskan lambang negara Indonesia. Guru bertanya beberapa pertanyaan, ada 2, tentang bangunan khas daerah yang ada di Indonesia. Di manakah kamu menemukan Monas? Di manakah kamu bisa menemukan Monas? Monas berada di Jakarta. Yang kemudian tentang lambang negara atau Pancasila. Apa lambang sila pertama? Lambang sila pertama adalah bintang. Itu untuk ASP matematika.
Untuk sains?
ASP sains, guru menjelaskan tentang lambang negara Indonesia dan menjelaskan tentang bendera Indonesia. Guru bertanya, checkpoint question? Guru bertanya, apa lambang sila ketiga? Lambang sila ketiga adalah pohon beringin. Kemudian, apa warna bendera negara Indonesia? Bendera Indonesia berwarna merah dan putih. Jadi sebelum guru bertanya tentang checkpoint, guru bertanya checkpoint question di tanggal 21 sampai tanggal 25 April mengenai alat komunikasi. Contohnya, manakah alat komunikasi yang lebih berat? Televisi atau telepon? Yang lebih berat adalah televisi. Yang kemudian, apa kegunaan radio? Radio digunakan untuk mendengarkan musik, cerita, dan mendengarkan cerita yang menyenangkan. Itu untuk ASP Sains.
Untuk ASP bahasa?
ASP Bahasa masih tentang tanah airku. Guru menjelaskan lambang negara Indonesia, dan guru lambang negara Indonesia berupa Garuda Pancasila. Kemudian guru menjelaskan contoh benda-benda yang berkaitan dengan negara Indonesia seperti Tugu Monas, bendera, dan Garuda Pancasila. Guru bertanya checkpoint question, apa lambang negara Indonesia? Garuda Pancasila. Oke, selanjutnya yang terakhir itu sebutkan contoh benda-benda yang berkaitan dengan negara Indonesia, bendera dan Garuda Pancasila.
Oke. Untuk project Miss, apakah ada minggu ini?
Minggu ini we
okay.
do art and craft.
Okay.
About
So
making a paper angel. Teacher has provided to paper, to origami, and glue.
What color?
Actually, angel white and pink, right?
Okay.
And then teacher share the origami and glue, but teacher always guide them. The first teacher showed to them the video about making paper angel. They cut into two part. And
They
then,
will cut or you cut for them?
Actually, we cannot ask them to cut with scissors. We already cut from the home, and then cut become two part, and then they fold like you want to make a pen, right? And then you make like this, you fold, and then you give glue two side, right? One side and two side, and then you combine, and then can make a paper angel like angel, that one, the wings of the angel.
Like the wings?
Yes, miss.
The wings white and pink?
No, to get a pink, white, like that.
Okay. So why do you choose only two colors?
Actually can because we never find origami white, right? Pink lah. We want to make pink color.
Okay, so we continue to the book. Okay. This one, right? Okay, please explain.
Okay, sounds animals mix. Okay, we have to know, right, about animals. We can see bird, frog, cow, cat, hen, and duck. Okay. I asked you, who ever seen bird? All of you, right? And then, can you listen the voice of the bird? Okay, we say together, voice of bird. Tweet, 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 tweet. Okay, right? Okay, next. Frog. If you go to the pond, there are some frog, and then if rain is come, right? And then we listen the frog, grubak, 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 like that. Okay, and then cow, right? How about cow? Have you ever seen cow, right? When it wants to eat grass, the sound like this, moo, 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 and then cat. Okay, cat can be our pet. We can listen the voice. If they are feel thirsty or hungry, they will say it will say meow, 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 and then hen, and cluck, 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 the voice, and then duck. Okay, please stand up all, follow me. Okay, and then we can like this, make like this. Okay, we make the sound of duck together. Quack, 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 quack. Like that. We just ask them to follow me and do how about the sound.
Just the sounds?
Yes, only this.
All right, I have made the result. Okay. For this one, for explaining this topic, this page, it's better you re-explain again about the animal, what animal is.
Just play
You
that.
re-explain again. And then you mention some animals that you will show based on the pictures. After that, you practice or explain about the sounds
after
for
that-
each of the animals.
After that, we can do.
Yeah. So the first step that you need to do is re-explain what animal is, and then the second one you mention some animals here. This one, and then you ask them to practice together, or you explain first about the sound. So,
Okay, yes.
for example, okay, the cat sound is like this. Let's say together. That will be the last
last
step that you need to do in the class. Okay.
Okay, Miss.
I think on that, for others, the CP question, the reviewing CP question, the rainbow science, the project also you could explain them well, and then you could mention also about the CP questions, so you pass in a good result. Thank you, Miss.